Weakness, weakness, weakness. Sounds like a football player. Oh no, where are you going, bros? Don't be getting up in that. No, I'm putting my right there. Hey boss, how you doing? You all right?
Yes, sir.
What's going on, my friend? Why are your pants undone? You had a piss?
No.
Huh?
No.
No what? Driver's license, my friend. Come on, out of the car. Come on, out. Out now. 17 out westbound. Get out or I'm going to drag your ass out. It's signal 14, I'm 1012, and the guy appears to be extremely signal 1. Come on. Out. Come on. Friend, let's go. Come on. When I tell you to get out of the fucking car.
Do you want me to continue?
Yeah, for traffic control. I just had to rip him out of the car. You can serve me one more unit, respond.
Continuing 51 in the Congress of 45th. That's 1117 D, sir. Grandpa, good one. 450, sir. 1116, are you able to clear 94 as well?
Stay put. There you go. Sit down. Come on. Just knock it off, bro.
Hey, Ross. 420.
Stop.
What?
Stop.
What? What?
Dude, stop being childish. He's drunk. Let go. Let go. Let go. There you go. Maybe put his shoulder back in place here in a second. Let go. Let go. Stay down.
1420 hours.
Yeah, I'm gonna say so. You can just check him out.
1116 D, sir. 1117.
Ouch!
There you go. Lean back. Let your stomach. 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 All right, so I got one resistor. Let me have it. One resisting. Come on. Come on, on your stomach.
Copy code. Was anyone copy?
On your stomach, let's go.
1407, 5145.
Let go, buddy. Let go. Roll on your stomach. Stomach!
Off duty. No, BWC. Did you give him 33 until he's called for, please? 10-3 Division 1. Be line 1 6.
Stomach, come on. Oh, yeah. Highly. Yeah, he's just, he won't roll on his stomach. Come on. Stomach. 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 Come on. Stomach. Now. Come on, roll your stomach.
Sir, can you listen to the officer?
Go on. Now. Roll your stomach. 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 Now. Now you're pissing me off. Yeah, if you don't mind. Just grab his legs, like pull him underneath. There we go. Come on. Other arm. Other arm, big boy. Come on, let's go. Other arm, let's go. Give me other arm. Let's go. Give her an arm. Give the officer your arm. Let's go. Arm.
Stop doing this, dude.
Let go of my hand. Fucking wristwatch. You put this thing off. Got it.
Got it?
Yep. Now we are.
14 using code.
Yeah.
Copy 1425 hours.
Sir,
Thank you. You got blood all over your leg.
my name is Nicholas, okay? I'm a paramedic. We're going to get you on the
Thank you.
stretcher, okay? Take you down to the hospital. Are you going to listen and cooperate on the way there? You're not going to give us any trouble? All right, so we're going to stand you up and get you on the stretcher, okay? All right, we're going to sit you on your butt.
1 second. We're just loading them onto a gurney. Come on.
Can you sit up? Can you sit up?
Come on, grab his legs. Thank you.
How much have you had to drink? Thank you.
What do you got, boss?
I was the one that followed him over from the
Get you comfortable when we get to the
you're-
back.
Yeah, what do you see him doing?
So going this way on north on B-line, he was all over the place. He was hitting those dividers of the construction. He was hitting them. Bam, 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 bam. Then he drugged one. One got stuck underneath his truck. He drugged it all the way to the railroad track, and it came off on the railroad track. I stopped. I threw it out of the way because it was in the middle of the traffic. And then he tried to.
Do you have your ID on your license?
Yep.
Thank you.
I gotta go, but I don't think you'll need me.
17 out West Pond. You can clear traffic. Thank you.
Copy.
Where you want me to go?
St. Mary's.
10:30 clear on 1, 1427 hours.
Yeah. Well, it's mine, but it's alright. It's just low cut. No big deal. It's just from the handcuffs.
Are you on some?
Yeah.
He was found guilty, his license were suspended for 1 year, and he received 12 months of probation.